Howdy, y'all. Welcome back to Brent Murphy Garage. We're finally in Pennsylvania in the new house, as you can see. New garage. Finally got a double bay garage. It's nice. Got the car home and been tinkering with it a little bit. We got a lot of stuff we got to get done to the car, and I'm trying to hopefully get that all done before the start of summer. I did go ahead and get a few things done with it. Shortened the throttle cable here just because there was a lot of slack in it with the pedals, so now I have full pedal engagement, so that's good. Also went ahead and installed a new tack into the thing. I like the look of it. Seems pretty nice to me. This one keeps going in and out, so real happy I replaced the gauge cluster in there just to have the same reason why I replaced the old one happen again. But this one's good. It's better than that old one I had. I'll give you a start up on the old girl. I had her running not too long ago, so she should fire right up. Had to pick up filming a day later, but I'm kind of happy I did anyways because I got some parts in today. That's really cool. I can't wait to show you guys. But moving on to what's going to happen over the next, I don't know, few weeks here is we're going to pull the engine and transmission out of this car. Transmission is pretty much, it's kind of on its last leg. So I got another 700 R4 that I'm going to start doing some work on here. With the 700 R4, I got a 3000 stall converter, so we're going to try that out, see how that does in the car. But while the engine is out, got some stuff we got to do on that. So when I replaced the camshaft in this engine, I didn't get it sealed back up right, and it is just kind of flinging oil everywhere. So we're going to reseal the engine, but I figured since the engine is out, maybe we go ahead and throw a better set of heads on it, stuff like that. So we'll do a little freshen up on the engine while it's out, get the new trans put in, and then I have a Borg-Warner 9-bolt rear end as well that'll get thrown into the car while the rest of the drive line is removed. To go with that transmission, we have a Transgo reprogramming kit. It's the same kit I put on to the one that's in the car right now. So we'll put this in, manual valve body, all that. We got a Corvette servo and that 3000 stall converter. So that should get the transmission where it needs to be. And I'll plumb new lines for it and everything because I lost quite a bit of fluid out of the transmission. And I think that's what ended up smoking all the clutches and stuff and why it's kind of temperamental now. That one's on me. The reason why the transmission is going is because I just kind of let it run out of fluid. I didn't think the leak was that bad, but apparently it was, and it kind of destroyed itself with no fluid. So yeah, not letting that one happen again. Something else we got here is this really neat piece. It just came in the mail today, and I'm really excited for it. So it's a Hurst shifter, but it's one of those dual gate shifters, kind of like they had on the old cars. It's pretty cool. I've seen these kind of floating around a little bit. Hurst doesn't actually make them in real. I don't think they make them anymore. They're not advertised on Hurst's website. So I got a NOS kind of here. This is an NOS part. This is an NOS part, but the cable and some of the other stuff is kind of over the counter parts. So some of it's new, some of it's new old stuff, but we're going to get this put into the car, and I think it's going to give it a really cool look and feel once everything is running and driving. And with that being said, with that Borg-Warner rear end, I'm going to be putting a set of 370 gears in it too. So this should be a fun little runner once everything is back together and in the car. Another cool piece that I picked up was this triangular air cleaner. Now, the drop base on this one doesn't drop as far down as my circular one. So right now, it doesn't clear the hood. So a couple of things. Either I'm going to replace this hood, which is going to happen one way or another. I don't know if I'm going to do it while the engine and transmission is out, but this hood will be replaced. So Either I will wait till the hood is replaced to put that guy on, or I'll go get one of those 1.5" filters from K&N, and that should drop it enough to clear the hood. But I really like the look of that, and I think kind of gives it a old-timey, cool, classic feel to it. I kind of want to get one of those stickers, you know, just put 334 CI, maybe Turbojet on it, and make it look really neat. There'll be a few other things that we do while everything is kind of taken apart while we're putting it back together. Gonna get rid of the clutch fan, go to an electric fan. Probably gonna get rid of the AC. That's a brand new AC compressor. I don't even have it charged with Freon right now, or 134A. I'm probably just gonna pull that out and put one of those pulleys in there, just to kind of free up a little bit of horsepower and stuff. I don't use the AC. If I want AC in this car, I'm going to roll the windows down and pull the T-tops off. So I'll probably just end up gutting that out. I may even convert over to a non-AC box over here and get rid of all of this junk and just make the engine bay look a little cleaner. But yeah, that's what's going on with the car now that I'm back home, and real excited to start working on it and making it what I want it to be, you know, by the time summer rolls around, because I think once it's running right and transmission's good and we got the 370 geared Borg 9-bolt in the back, it's going to be a fun little runner, especially with this dual gate shifter. You know, I can't wait to just slap it into gear. It's going to be fun. Yeah, so, all right, thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.